Flare 2024 and beyond Moonshot price predictions coming into this imminent bull run that's right on the horizon. I mean, we're already seeing it happen. It's already been playing out since we made our first initial 2024 set of Moonshot targets for a select bunch of coins. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description of this video where we covered coins like XRP, XLM, HBAR, Render, and so on. So this video is going to be talking about where Flare was at before, where it's at now, and where could it head to and extend to in this upcoming bull run. So right out the gate, we got the Stargate 2024 Moonshot price predictions template, and we are using the Stargate screener with the signals. We're using the Stargate snakes, the fib forecaster, and the bonus indicator. So we got a couple things going on right now, a couple narratives, news events that were just announced for Flare. Why this is an urgent video, because I'm doing Flare right now to start off this new segment of the 2024 price predictions, because Flare has creeped its way into the top gainers today, up 16%. It's currently at 0.01437, and it has a lot of momentum coming from them announcing the launch of their F assets. And now we're starting to see Songbird creep up. So Songbird's going to be next. So if you're new here, subscribe to the notification bell, leave a like and a comment, share this video with every Flare holder you know, because Flare is ready to do something big. So what we just did is we poked our head into the belly of the beast. The belly of the beast, this green zone, is where we want to break out of to then go into price discovery for Flare. And then we would head up into this hot zone, this red zone, which is a good time to sell. Every time that we're in the belly of the beast or below it, it's the absolute best time to accumulate a coin. And as we get into the hot zone, that's a good time to offload that coin. So what we just did was we poked our head into the belly of the beast, and now we're about halfway through it. So if we take a look at the fib forecaster, where we're at currently, and what we just did was we broke above this 786 here. And when we break above the micro, which is the red fib levels here, when we break above the micro 786, usually we kind of just melt straight up to that 2618 extension. So that's a target of 0.02 for Flare, but that's not exciting. We're gonna get to the exciting stuff. What we could see is by melting up to that 2618 extension on the red one, we'll break above that yellow 786, which is the medium fib. And breaking above the 786 would then extend us to the 1618 extension of the medium fib, which is at 0.04, and that's perfectly aligned with this purple moving average here as well too, and the chart patterns target taking us up to that zone as well. So we're going to cover now the mini moon targets, medium moon targets, and mega moon targets for Flare going into 2024. So what I see right now is we're likely going to reach out to that 0.04, and to me that's peanuts in comparison to where it's going to go, because I think that we're not going to stop at 0.04. We might get hung up for a moment, but I think we'll come right up to that 2618 extension. Remember, when you break above a 786, you can target the 2618 extension usually of where the coin's going to go. And that for Flare is sitting around 11 cents. So from current levels, or even from earlier today, that would have been a 10x, because it was at 0.011, and then going up to 11 cents would be a 10x. So for a mini moon target, I'm targeting 0.11 for Flare, and that so happens to be the bottom of the red zone as well too, so we have confluence there. So we're gonna mark that off right there for our mini moon. And then also let's go to a higher time frame, like a 5-day chart, or let's go to a 4-day chart, something like that. Yeah, because the 4-day chart had flashed a buy now back here around 0.009. We had one earlier here around the same price level that we're at back in June. But so we had our buy signals come in. So I remember also too, when Flare first initially got airdropped, it was at 80 cents. It was at 80 cents per coin. So that's not out of the realms of where it could go back to, especially with what's on the horizon for it. And let's see if the targets, the fib extensions, line up with that being a plausible target. So I believe the mini moon target, or like the mini moon, is us going up to that 4 cent area. That's probably where we would go before getting a little hung up. Maybe we come back down, have a correction, so a pop up like that. We come back down, we right on top of the belly of the beast. So like really we can target up to here, around 2 cents first off. If we can get above 2 cents, we break out of the belly of the beast, and I think we'll immediately melt up a double to that 4 cent area, and then likely we'll come back down to retest the top of the belly of the beast as support. keep in mind, ever since getting below it, we've had trouble getting above it. So getting above that will cause for more massive price movement. So first off, we need to, if we do correct back down here, we need to stay above 0.012. So that's the level of support, our concrete floor that we need to hold. And you can see like back here, that's when we had our fall off point. We retested it, rejection, came down, and now we finally broken back above it. And that was previous support, and that was our fall off. So coming back down, if we do, we need to hold above that level. The next stop would be around that 2 cent level. So 2 cent, I'm gonna mark that off. And that's where the top of the belly of our beast is. Then if we can break above that, we'll head right up to 4 cents. And then breaking above that will bring us to 11 cents. So for like price discovery, what I think is, and keep in mind, as price moves, these snakes are dynamic. As price starts to move up, these snakes will kind of move up as well too, like that. And depending on the pressure and how violent the move is up, you could see those move up violently as well too. So for our kind of level of concrete support we need to hold, we have 0.012. For our next mini moon is getting to the 2 cent, 0.022 cent area, which from current levels is around 80% of a gain. Then if we can break above there, it's likely we're gonna go to 4 cents, which from current levels is around like a 3x. And that's not even our mini moon in the grand scheme of things. Our mini moon is when we come to the 2618, which is the 11 cents, which is around like an 8x. So I would say, let's write this out. Our mini moon equals 0.11 cents. Then our medium moon, and let me go to a lower time frame here, like a daily chart, and I'm gonna grab actually this level from here, this high down to the low, because the Fib forecaster wasn't picking up that high. And we're gonna mark the 1618 extension of this macro move, and then the 2618 extension here. And then I'm not gonna cover these ones because they're too kind of pie in the sky for me right now. So going back to it, our mini moon is 11 cents. Then I would say our medium moon, and keep in mind these snakes are gonna come up, so the hot zone will probably be like fresh in between these two levels, would be around 30 cents to 54 cents, I would say. So that would be our medium moon, and I'll mark that. So we got 40 to 55 cents. Then our mega moon, we have our 1618 extension pressing out here to around 90 cents. And then we have our 2618 around 16 bucks, but I'm gonna get rid of that because even just to it back to $1 is such a huge move. So we're gonna say this, we'll put $1 there, and we got our mini moon at 11 cents, our medium moon at 40 to 55 cents, and our mega moon at 90 cents to over $1. So let me mark that. So let's plot out those gains, right? So from current levels where we're at, our mini moon takes us to about 7.5 times our money. Our medium moon takes us to around 20 to 36 times our money. And then our mega moon takes us to about 60 to 73 times our money. And let's see if that's even like realistic looking at the market cap. So the market cap's around 417 million. So let's say 100x brings us to around 40 billion market cap. And that's a stretch over where the mega moon takes us even. So around a 20 billion market cap, you get to that mega moon area, which is up here. 20 billion market cap. I mean, you look at the top 10, top 20 on CoinMarketCap, 20 billion, you already got like Cardano close there. Dogecoin's a double away from getting there. Solana's already there. XRP's over that. BNB's over that. And keep in mind, Bitcoin, the market, the total market cap should go to around 7 to 10 trillion. Right? So we have about 7 to 10 times more for the whole total crypto market cap. Flare could easily get to those levels, especially with the launch of F assets and unlocking value on Bitcoin, the Bitcoin and XRP and other Bitcoin. So, I mean, definitely realistic in my opinion, but you let me know in the comments. Do you think it's realistic? What do you think a realistic price prediction for Flare is? It's starting to heat up. I just bought a little bit more of it and getting that passive income on a monthly basis. I really like Flare as a coin. It's definitely a top 10 going into this bull run, in my opinion. It's enabling interoperability between chains, and it's super low, and it has that monthly airdrop plus the 2 rewards a week as well too. I like it a lot. So you let me know. Realistic as far as the mini moon, medium moon, and mega moon? I think so. You let me know in the comments. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Look in the description of this video for the 2024 price prediction playlist. You can look at our past 2024 price predictions for like XRP, XLM, HBAR, XCC, and a bunch of other coins that we did. And also let me know in the comments what coin you would want me to do this for next video. I'm going to do a Songbird, but after that you let me know what coin you would like me to do this for and I'll do it. Come join the Discord, link is in the bio. And also 70% off Stargate Infinity membership. It ends in 2 weeks. 70% off. You'll be covered by all the tools you'll need going into this bull run here in 2024. You'll get access to all these indicators, our custom automatic trading bots, and actually we just launched 35 new configurations for our automatic trading bots, and Flare is actually one of them right here. So we got a Flare bot rolling right now as well too. So you let me know in the comments what coin you want me to cover next. Come join the Discord, and if you wanted to tap into that 70% off discount for Cyber Week, then join the Discord, Rob at Stargate, friend request me and send me a message and we can get chatting about it. So I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.